Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about bud grafting. Here we have a brepa fig. This fig is a pollinator, this upper part, and we're gonna take a few buds or one bud that we can use in the grafting. We're gonna slit an oval like an eye shaped and around the bud. Here we have a bud, so all we need is to peel the bark a bit. Pay attention not to cut your fingers in the process, as we will need them later on. Here we have the eyelid. As you can see, it was removed from the bark, and so now it's the time to attach it to another tree. It's important to know which side is up, or it won't be successful at all. So let's go to the other tree. So here we have the fig tree, which we are going to put the bud onto. I've put the bud on a safe place, and we're gonna cut a T. We're gonna cut from here downwards. We're gonna find a flat surface. So let's start away. I'm gonna cut a T, and we'll just open the bark. Hopefully it will open without any trouble. You may see that it's a bit difficult with a tripod in the middle, but it's doable. Let's see, one is ready, and the other one also. So let's get the bud, not the beer, and we're gonna insert it inside of it. So we open bit the side. So first one in. Second one, we'll open it also, and then we're gonna slide it inside of it. So let me use the knife so you can see what's happening. I'll open a bit more of this so it can go beneath it. That's it, and we'll remove the extra top. Now, as you can see, the bud is here, the dormant one. So all we need is to tie it down and paint it with tree glue, except where we have the bud. So for this one we're gonna use an elastic so it stays tight. All we need is one simple knot at the beginning, and then we tighten it with the elastic, except on the eyelid. So hopefully you can see it. And now we can cover it with wound paint or grafting paint. And then that way we have propagated using the bud method. So we'll cover all except the eyelid, and that way the eyelid can see some light and sprout out easily. We'll cover as much of the elastic as possible, and thankfully 3 years of art school didn't go to waste. As you can see, the bud is still open, and therefore this way it has an outlet to sprout out. If you saw, the budding method isn't difficult. It isn't invasive, as you saw, and it also gives you a lot of space to do a lot of buddings. So let me zoom out a bit. So instead of doing 1, we could do 5 on each branch. Therefore our chances that the budding will be successful will be higher. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe.